The fuck is up, she-males? I am, right now, I have a penis in my mouth, but...
Shut up, do the drizzle. Shut up, no one cares. Do the
What?
drizzle case. Do the drizzle
What
case.
case?
Drizzle. It's fucking right there.
You're such a fucking... Wow. You're a cheese pizza lover, you know.
Okay.
Fast mode. No.
Don't do fast mode.
I
You
wanna
know
do
rage
casual
me
mode.
though.
Fuck it.
Oh,
Yalla, yalla,
yeah.
yalla,
Well,
yalla,
this
yalla,
decade
yalla,
Down
yalla,
syndrome.
yalla, yalla.
Yes.
Wait, it's 5%?
No, it's not. It's not. What?
Wow.
You're so lost. It's okay.
Valla, valla.
Blah,
Valla.
blah, blah.
What a shitty fucking battle. Oh my god.
Well played. Well played.
Well played, well played. Well played, Toasted, well played.
Nice battle, bro.
Nice, nice. Great video. I understand half of the fucking violence, bro. Well thought of, bro. Well thought of. Coconut time, I guess. I can't even afford it. Broadcast. That'll be a pretty
Oh,
fun video.
do the new cases, do the sodiums, do the
What?
sodiums case.
What new cases? What new cases? What? Wait, this might actually be good.
Yeah,
What the fuck is
turn of
that?
10%, you
Shut up! I
maggot.
wanna see 10% cokes. Other cokes.
Oh, there's a new 500 coin case.
65.
It's a 5%,
Oh!
5% case, that's 500
I
coins.
am not doing that for now.
To the sodium case.
I can't see it here, so I'm not gonna try find it. It's my day.
Or just, you have the fucking 5% thing on you, dumb.
Yeah, I'm not
fuck.
gonna fucking find it. What? Where is it? Sodium.
Sodium.
Nigga,
Right
that's
there.
like, what? How much is that?
Just open it, you're so bored. It's fake balance anyway, why are you looking at it? You fucking... You're retarded.
No, cause I wanna fucking. Oh shit, it's actually good though. Oh. Ooh. Voila. Wait, let me make this shit slow. Just to piss everybody off. In the sense that, like. Bro, we haven't found the fucking Daddy video. Daddy.
Dad.
I was gonna say I waste all the shit tickets here, but never mind. Who the fuck is cheering on me? Fuck off. Fuck you, whoever's cheering. Yeah, thank you. That's what you fucking got. Nice. Thanks. And they donated.
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Come on, water dicks. Alright. Water cooks is gonna fuck me. I mean, let them waste the good ticket. Yeah, yeah, it's completely fine. Completely fine.
It's completely fine. And then you wasted on a 20 coin case. Oh my. Nice IQ.
It's fine if it's. What the fuck? GG. I trolled.
Yeah, it's fine. It's
No, no,
fine.
no. See, we didn't waste the good ticket. Look at the bright side. Look at the bright side.
Look at the ticket right now. It's an insane ticket. Guarantee you.
Oh my god. Phoenix is gonna fuck my asshole. What the fuck? What's that? There's no geek.
Yeah, now you waste the fucking ticket.
That might have been done that other case.
Oh, really?
Why is this shit like so small? It's a bit like my penis.
Shut up, you're black.
Okay. This kid is gonna fuck my little asshole. Is it safe to say I'm not winning this battle, or?
No, it is pretty safe to say.
You were cheering on me, like, and I fucking somehow hit. If it's not top item, it's kinda shit.
Not gonna be top item.
So shit, that is so shit. Even though we're winning, that is so shit.
Oh my god, you're so
Oh shit, almost.
How do you even get baited by that? You're so dumb.
I'm fake reacting. I'm a good YouTuber.
That's your more shitty case that I recommended.
Obviously nothing's gonna hit, but I expected that. It's still gonna give some money back. So, not bad.
I think you pulled a mouse sticker. Oh,
I hope they won with that. Fuck. Fuck.
This battle.
Oh, that was such a fucking transgender battle. Fast mode, fucking
Oh, the cage case.
check
5%.
energy. Oh, I'll put in. No, that's already way too much. I'll do this one though. Yalla, yalla, yalla. Yalla, yalla. Oh my god. Yalla, yalla, yalla.
Now click on auto this time.
Why would I do something like that? That just fucks with the process, you know? Watch.
Like,
oh my fuck.
yeah, I'm watching. I am the most expensive case.
Yeah. I let them hit everything go at least.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now I hit you. What the fuck?
How much was this case?
300.
Wait, what? This is
The
300. This is
Wait.
very
If it's not a jungler, I'm gonna
What?
shoot myself. Wait, that's 6k maybe. Or 4k.
No, it's 3K.
5k. Holy shit. Oh my.
No, but
I
it's
want
this
to cut
case.
my dick off. I
You'll
want to
lose.
cut my dick off.
So then you're gonna pull insane and you're gonna lose.
They pulled shit, but like.
Yeah, but you're still losing.
Yeah. And they're
You
gonna
shit.
pull more. Yep, there you go.
It's okay, they're not gonna pull any. Oh, it's this case. Fuck.
Alright.
That's like not max item.
That's not that much.
It's winnable, it's winnable.
I think we won. Oh, at least it
Run
was
it
fun.
back.
No.
Back.
Go
So that
all
one,
go
oh, shit.
instantly. This is gonna go very not well. Very unwell.
Why did you run it back? You're so stupid.
Facts. Oh my fuck.
But if you unless you upgrade this, you have to upgrade this.
No.
You have to upgrade.
How much X? How much X?
10x, 10x.
Okay. You would have hit 10x.
Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again.
I know, that was
It's
the whole
back.
point. I was gonna do 2x and then 5x. To do 10x. Oh!
Actually hit.
I'm so smart! But I mean, they would both hit, but. Yalla.
No, don't do it anymore, don't do it anymore, don't do it anymore. Don't be-
Yalla.
They're not gonna hit.
Shut up.
Run it back, run it back, run it back. Run
No,
it back.
fuck that shit.
I feminine boy, you bitch.
Keep talking to yourself. Tiny balls. Look, they made a guess so you can relate. Are you happy?
Kill Euro yourself.
Fuck your sister. Robson, the pedophile. What more? Big dicks. No, not all. It's so fucking cute. B-Bucks is shit. Another addicted. Fuck it. Sphinx. Valla. Okay. And I think I am not ready. Am I gonna win?
No. Oh, you want fireballs.
I don't fucking know.
Oh, it's to remind yourself of your own gag.
Are they cheering? I mean, they're cheering them. Let's fucking go. That's good.
I want you to lose.
Thanks.
No, not.
No,
That's actually good.
no,
It's on the low.
no. I'm not losing. Fuck. No.
That's max height then.
No.
Is that max height then?
No, it's not even close. You know? I'll take it.
So that's 5% hit.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Oh god, they pull the Eye of Horus and you win.
I will suck
Can you
my
even pull
own
it?
dick. I will suck my own dick. Okay. Well, boys, no females in this YouTube channel allowed. 1K, yalla. Is there 1.5? No.
Bunny years.
So, oh my, the max item is only 500. That's so fucking. So
Yeah, look at the old.
good to see. So good to see. Sunny side.
500, so good, so good.
Oh my god.
Kill
Big
yourself.
A's.
Live stream your own
Okay, and I hit the ticket here. Alright. Not at least I hit the ticket. We can extend the video. This will be so entertaining, guys. You already know what case I'm doing.
Yeah, the furball.
Yes.
They're on all the modes. Make it private as well.
Keep oinking, bro. Keep oinking. What the fuck? Rare. It's like dick. Fuck. Devoted. Firecocks, I'm not adding you. I'm gonna press auto button because it matters. I'm gonna get a private match, you're right. Oh my god. I'm gonna link this bottle in the chat now. Oh my god, guys, look battle. I wanna cut my fingers off.
Hit. I want you. Fuck. I want you to hit.
I mean it, don't worry. Oh my god.
Are you teasing me?
Okay.
Are you teasing me?
Now I'm gonna hit max item as well. You're so happy when
Nobody's
I win.
gonna.
You're such a good
Is gonna.
Oh my god.
You're gonna build a tickler.
Yeah.
The stickler one.
Yeah.
The stickler.
Yeah, I pulled the testicular cancer, guys.
No, now it's 50 feet, so it's more interesting. No, it's not 50 feet.
I'm gonna pull again, so, you know. I'm letting you know. Never mind.
So we pray for blue.
I fuck your mud. Nothing. I didn't say anything.
Nice video, guys. Nice video.
No, it was not a nice video. Stop lying to the people. Fuck all of you.